everyone, my name is Moshope from Kapi family.
And my name is the mommy of the family. And I am the mommy of the family. And today, Shopa, what are we making?
Kunu Zaki.
Good. Today we'll be making Kunu Zaki. Yes. What are our ingredients that we have prepared? What is this?
Date.
Do you know what the date is used for?
No.
The date is used to sweeten the drink. So we are not going to be making use of sugar. We're making use of date. And what do we have here? What is this?
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato. What about this one?
White guinea corn.
White guinea corn. What about this? Ginger. And the last, this black cloves. Yes, that is exactly one. And today we'll be using what to blend this. What are we going to be using to blend?
Block blender.
Wow! Hey, Shopa is. So we'll be feeling it. Don't worry, let me help you. We'll be feeling it. What am I doing now?
Having it and putting it.
I'm fetching the grains and putting it inside, and I will be blending. Adding water. No, let's just add freeway water. Yes. So I'm going to be using grains. No, grains now.
Juice. Drink.
Oh. We're going to carry now and pop. You can see how smooth this is. This is. So I just finished pouring the first batch, so I'm going to grind the next batch. Thank you. So now we are pouring our clove, ginger, and sweet potato. Everything will go in there. Going to be adding our dates.
Before why you didn't buy?
These are dried dates, and it has been pre-soaked with hot water. We've removed the seed. Oh, let's see this one. So we'll be adding the water. All the water so cure so much.
But finish blending.
Gently. Go. Grinding. Sorry, we have done blending. After the blending is almost 7 liters, but let's just say 6.5 liters. So I'll be dividing it into 2 portions. 2/3 there. Now I'll put the 1/3 there. So this 2/3 is where I'll be adding my boiling water. So this pot is 3 liters, so I'll be putting 2 liters in this pot. The railers really did a very good job. It was smooth. Let me see. Where is mine? It's 2 liters written on this my pot. Almost 2 liters. Yes. The last. Good. So we'll be keeping this one. So on this one now, I'll be pouring boiling water. Let me bring the wait water here. I have to make it. I don't know if I can finish it. So there's this one other thing I bought. I don't know the name. I'll look for the name. I'll put it in the comment section on this video. So I'm adding hot water. I hope it's good. Hope it's good though. Okay. So I will just turn it. We did it. I'll cover it. Just need to. This my stirrer is too small for this quantity. It is too small. And I open this my water. Let me add more water. If I didn't get the consistency I'm looking for, that means I'm going to. This container is small. You see, it's not really done. I'm gonna look for bigger container to pour it, and then I'll put it on the fire. Container is too small. I didn't really have it like pap, so I won't be pouring it inside this big pot, so I can put it on fire and cook it until I have it that look like a pap. Of course, I will still have to change it, because even though by the time I want to pour the second portion by after cooling down, I won't be able to do that. So I'll be doing it gently. Yeah, this thing. So I'm gonna put it on fire now, and I will show you the consistency. I'm done applying it to this particular one. You can see that the consistency has changed. It now look like a pap. So what left for me to do is to add this other one. So because this is still very hot, you understand, in order not to kill the enzymes in my remaining 1/3 portion that I've not cooked, so I added ice so that I can have some live enzyme that is going to change the consistency of this. Yeah, so join me. Yeah, so I'll be pouring this now. I'll be adding it here, then I will stir it. Then we're going to leave this Kunu Zaki for another 8 to 12 hours to allow the decomposition to continue. Then after, we look at it again. So as I add now, this is supposed to loosen up. I added ice. So the kunu is ready because I've added the raw portion to the cooked version. So, and I've left it for over 12 hours. So now I want to go through the last stage and sieve it. I've let it to ferment. You can see that what I have here is different from the consistency I had yesterday. So I will just stir it so that I can sieve it properly. So just want to mix it because I discovered that it has settled. So this my mesh cloth is big, so I'll just put it here to make it comfortable for me to sieve. So I also have cup here. So the quantity is much, so I'll be doing it like up to 2 or 3 times. I've washed my hand too, that I'll be using to squeeze it. So I think I'll go in 3. So now I've finished it. This is the last one. And these are the sieve that I removed. So I'm going to put this one here now. I'll sort it out later. And the quantity we got is more than this. I've packed some. So I just want to put them in our bottle where we're going to be zipping them from here. And I'll put them here to refrigerate. Yeah. So this is what I have. I have 2 bottles, some leftover. I will look for. Yes, I have this leftover already. I've stored some in the freezer because I should have sieved it earlier. So I will zip it and I will enjoy it, and I hope to share with you. Thank you. I will leave all the ingredients I use in making these. I'll put them in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will also want to know where you're watching us from. Thank you. Bye.